guys, welcome back to the channel. Today with me I have GEC Classic ceiling fan. This is GEC whispair 4-blade model, which is known as Classic. So as you can see, this is a 1990s model. Going by the body design, the canopy you can see Classic, and here GEC. So as you can see, this is a double ball bearing fan because it's 4-blade. So now let's start teardown. The fan is finally toned down. As you can see, this is a 14-pole ceiling fan in a 4-blade. What? Are you crazy? I mean, it's not something you should try with a 4-blade. And the thing that this never burnt out is crazy. So we can check again. So count from this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 poles. Awesome winding, as you can see. I don't want to forcefully remove it from inside. Now let's assemble it back and test it. So guys, the fan is finally assembled. As you can see, these are not the original blades. These are a spare GEC blade set I had, luckily in brown color. So let's switch on in full speed. As you can see, this is a 14-pole motor. It's unable to take load of these old model wider blades. Okay, it is taking start. So it has taken maximum RPM it can attain with these wide blades. It's not bad for a 14-pole 4-blade fan with heavy blades with wide angle. The original blades, it would take more RPM, as you can see. Let's power it on. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video about this rare model of GEC. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video coming really soon.